Now we're good. All
right. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And today we are reacting to a video called This is Genius, Toilet Cleaning Perfection.
We don't... Anyway.
I've already seen this video on Facebook, and it is far from genius. Perfection, more like total waste of money, in my opinion.
And normally Ashley said that she does like watching cleaning videos.
I love watching cleaning videos, but not this kind. I like watching a house go, or a room go from totally filthy to totally spotless. Like, where you actually see, like, the realistic cleaning.
Yeah.
That's what I like to see.
Yeah. As you can probably already tell from the screen that's up right now,
the toilet is spick and span. The floor around it you could eat off of.
And I just, like, it just... Everything after this is just aggravating.
I mean, we're already starting with clogging the toilet with sponges.
I mean, like, sponges. Really? Alright, let's go. We're 1 second in. We gotta keep going. Alright.
Alright, so we're clogging the toilet with sponges. Now we're putting things that they, like, sanitize your toilet as you flush. Like, you can see her reflection from it. Kaboom. Alright, we're starting.
Okay, this is good. This is all you need.
Comet with bleach.
More bleach. Alright.
Toilet bowl cleaner, which she's not even getting under the brim of the toilet.
You're supposed to get it up underneath the brim, you know? Like.
And now shaving cream.
Whatever this is.
It's shaving cream.
Okay.
Orange palm olive.
Orange palm olive. Yeah, that's great.
Pink Dawn.
Dawn palm olive.
Green palm olive.
Because you know there's ants in your toilet bowl right now.
Ajax dish soap.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's a nice pretty
Purple palm olive.
Rainbow
Blue
colors.
Dawn.
More Blue Dawn.
Comet.
More Comet. Right on top of the Dawn. This is the part that I don't agree with. She should be choking right now because there is, when you mix chlorine bleach with dish soap, especially Dawn, it has, even though it's not on the ingredients, ammonia in it.
Which the bleach activates the ammonia. So.
And then, yeah, it binds together, and then you get a whole bunch of carbon, like, crap that it's a gas, and it gasses you. You shouldn't be able to breathe. What the hell is she doing? People have almost killed themselves doing shit like that. Pardon my French.
And now we go with more of those little sanitized thingies.
Because, you know, it wasn't enough the first 3 she used.
More toilet bowl cleaner. Still not getting it under the brim.
Yep. Still not used properly. Didn't get around the back.
More shaving cream. More toilet bowl cleaner.
More toilet bowl cleaner.
More Kaboom by OxyClean.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know what's in Kaboom. Is that a bleach spray? I don't know.
I don't think we have it in Canada. Comet.
Yeah. Oh yes.
More palm olive.
More dish soap on top of even more Comet bleach.
More Pink Dawn. And I think that's all dish soap. It contains ammonia. It's not just Dawn. It's all dish soap.
Yeah, and this one's the multi-strength one.
More Kaboom.
More Kaboom for absolutely no reason. No!
More Comet.
More Comet, again, for no reason.
More shaving cream. This is the most aggravating cleaning video on the whole internet. More of those sanitized thingies. More dish soap, Ajax. Listen, if you need to clean your toilet, all you need is toilet bowl cleaner. That's it. I've been cleaning toilets since I was like 12 years old. I'm 26. Do the math. Okay?
Toilet bowl cleaner and follow the directions. It says on the bottle.
Get it under the brim. Let it soak. Let it soak through for like 5 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
You're good.
The longer it is, the better. Like,
if you want to spray some scrubbing bubbles like on the back of the seat because it gets pretty grody under there, fine. But you don't need this excessive amount of stuff in your toilet.
no. And what about the pipes behind it, huh? I'm sure they're going to enjoy getting full of foam,
Let's keep watching.
Let's go.
More dish soap.
Yeah.
More dish soap. Okay, I'm gonna just skip to the good part because it's basically she just fills the bowl.
Yeah, filling the bowl so much with so much stuff. Again, still no reason.
All right, so
now she's
now
finally gonna do something useful and actually scrub the bowl.
not really scrub it though. She just scrubs under the brim and then mixes it up.
And then mixes a huge concoction she made up, further activating the chlorine bleach.
And now she's gonna stick her hand in it.
Yep,
Which
look at her hand. Look.
Which she's wearing her gloves, but she's not wearing the cleaning gloves. The yellow ones that come up to here. She's just wearing like medical gloves, so she's still got that bleach and all those chemicals on her bare skin.
Okay, this is so. Ugh. This hurts me. And then she reaches in again for the
More
second
on her
one.
skin.
Yeah, it's all up her forearm now. You can see it. And it's running down into the glove. I'm sure that's going to be great. Oh, yeah.
And now she clogs her toilet.
She clogged the toilet doing this. And what we didn't show earlier was that she finished the bottle of the toilet bowl cleaner into this.
Yeah.
She finished the full bottle. Oh well. Or they did. I'm sorry. I've been presuming it's a female. That's not good. I guess it could be a guy. Again, with the clogged toilet. That's the second flush.
This can't be good for the pipes.
No, it absolutely cannot be. And then the third flush, it goes down after she's plunged it twice.
It is a woman. I can see from the long hair. Far from genius. I'm sorry. I am disappointed.
I don't know what that thumbs up was for.
And here, I'm going to start another screen capture. As you can see, this video has 50 views.
About 3 of them are ours.
50 views. And absolutely 0 likes. I'm going to dislike this video because it's a total waste of money. Just complete waste.
Don't do it. Just don't do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Have a very good day. And remember to like and subscribe.
And share this video with your friends on how to not clean a toilet.
Do not clean your toilet.
It's a total waste of money.
Ever.
Really bad for your pipes.
And I'm sure, in the U-Bend down by the street, they're going to enjoy having to clean that out.
Your city's just going to hate you.
Yeah. And when there's foam coming out of the culvert in front of your house,
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, like and subscribe. We'll